Hello everyone, this is Aditya Verma. I welcome you all to Eclipse classes. In today's session, we will study about tongue and pharynx. First of all, we will see about tongue. As we can see in the diagram, tongue is a oval shaped organ which is pinkish in color found inside the buccal cavity. Now let's see more detail about tongue. Tongue is a musculosensory organ present at the floor of oral cavity. Okay, it has voluntary muscles. Voluntary muscles means direct control with our CNS and is richly supplied with blood vessels and sensory neurons. Tongue is ectodermal in origin. Okay, anterior part of tongue is free, which is movable. This region of the tongue is free and movable. Posterior part of tongue, which is endodermal in origin, is attached with hyoid bone. Okay, and middle one with the floor of buccopharyngeal cavity with the help of pharyngeal ligum. हमारा टंग का पोस्टीरियर रीजन जो है वो तो हाइड बोन से कनेक्टेड होता है और इसका मिडिल रीजन कनेक्टेड होता है बकोफेरेंजियल कैविटी के फ्लोर से विद द हेल्प ऑफ फेरेलम. टंग बियर्स द आउटग्रोथ इन डोर्सल सरफेस नॉन एज पेपिले. वेंट्रली साइड तो हम देख चुके, वो बकल फेरेंजियल कैविटी के फ्लोर से कनेक्टेड होता है विथ द हेल्प ऑफ फेरेलम. और इसका जो डोर्सल साइड होता है इसमें स्मॉल आउटग्रोथ्स होते हैं. ओके, विच आर नोन एज पेपिले. देयर आर 4 टाइप्स ऑफ पेपिले. फर्स्ट वन इज filiform papillae. These are filiform papillae, small sized, conical in shape and do not contain taste bud. Okay, second one is fungiform papillae. These are fungiform papillae. These are also a small sized, round in shape and contain taste bud. Okay, the difference between filiform papillae and fungiform papillae is they do not contain taste bud and conical in shape, and these are round in shape and contain taste bud. Okay, now third one is circumulate papillae. These are large sized, round in shape and few in number and present at the base contain taste bud. These are circumulate papillae. These are found at the base and they also contain taste bud. Now fourth type is foliate papillae. These are leaf-like flat, less 8 to 10 in number and present at the posterior margin of the tongue. Okay, these are present at the posterior margin. These are foliate papillae. These are very less in number, 8 to 10 in number. Now we will see the tongue taste. This region, this tip of the tongue is responsible for sweet taste, and laterally above the sweet taste, salt taste is present, and above salt, sour taste is present, and the above sour is bitter taste, and the centrally is umami taste, which is different from the all the 4 types of taste. It is a meaty type of taste. Okay, now we will see the function of tongue. There are a lot function of tongue, like it help in taste, speech, food mastication, food deglutition, barrier function, jaw development, thermal regulation, secretion, defense mechanism, maintenance of oral hygiene, sucking, general sensitivity. These all are function of tongue. Now we will see the pharynx. This is buccal cavity, and this buccal cavity opens into pharynx. Okay, so this region is pharynx. Below the mouth, pharynx is present. Pharynx is a wide opening at the back of mouth This is pharynx. Pharynx has two opening of internal nares above. Okay, two opening of internal nares and two opening of Eustachian tubes on the side, and two opening of Eustachian tube on the side are present in pharynx, and this Eustachian tubes come from ear. Posteriorly, it lead into two tube, caudate food pipe and glottis wind pipe. Two types of pipe are present. That is a wind pipe and this one is the food pipe. Okay. In front of glottis, a muscular flap epiglottis which closes the larynx when food is swallowed. When we swallow the food, as we all know, food have to enter inside the esophagus. That's how it will go inside the stomach. Now the problem is that when the food will enter into pharynx, this can go inside the both tube, the wind pipe and the food pipe both. That's why a muscular flap that is known as epiglottis is present above the larynx, which closes the larynx when we swallowed the food. That's how the food enter inside the esophagus. And here we completed the pharynx. In next lecture we will study about esophagus and stomach. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video in your group and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of new video. Thank you so much.